Shiva, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations. Yeah, for
Thank you,
placement.
madam. Thank you.
Yeah, myself Neenu. I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Just give a small introduction about yourself, Shiva.
My name is Siva. I am from Vijayawada, Andrapradesh. I completed my BTech Civil Engineering in Sri Vasavi Institute of Engineering and Technology in 2020 passed out. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, how do you come to know regarding CMTI?
I gain knowledge and good better opportunities and improve my skills.
Okay, you have taken advanced construction management course. Now, what are the topics you have learned in it? You can just tell us.
I interested in construction site and like quantity surveying, bill of quantities and bargaining schedule, calculating quantities. I interesting in the construction management, construction, building construction.
Okay, you went for site visits. No, how many site visits you went? How interesting a site
Doing
visits are for you?
construction site visits and interior site visits, and I green building site visit and design cafe and Finistar and IKEA and JLKG. These are going on my site visits.
Okay. So, like, how was our CMTI trainers? So you were comfortable with them?
It's been a good training and also any questions answer and tell me answer questions and good knowledge gain and good support in CMTI.
So how did you crack your interview? You can tell few points. So for it will be useful for upcoming students.
First time I'm betterly very difficult interview and use and practice and some knowledge improve and use CMT app and support to coordinates and staff.
Okay. So CMT staff's coordination. So they were regarding the timings. They coordinated you very well. It was fine for you.
Yes, madam. Good coordinates and staff very well, madam. And asking subject good, madam.
Okay. You have used our CMTA app, right? It was user friendly. How it was difficult to use or it was user friendly?
No,
CMTA app.
madam. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. Okay. All the best for your future. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Shiva.